Hello students, I'm about to show you how I will create the part angle support. So I will start with rectangular shape, which is 95 by plus 40, which is 135 by 80, and I will extrude that by 20. So I'll create a new part and make sure you select metric standard part and save this as the angle support for this one. And then I'll create two-dimensional sketch in this part, and I will use the line for a construction line, and then rectangle, which, let me see, it's not in the, so here dimension 0 0, and then this dimension will be 135 and the other one will be 80. And then I like to make these two symmetric to my line. So use symmetry, the top, the bottom one, and then the middle one, like this. And then I will extrude this by 20. And then I'll create fillet here and here, fillet which is 20 millimeters again. 40, so I have something like this. And then after that, you see I have this one. I'll try to create angle, a plane, which is, I will use this 120, and then in that angle I will then later add these other features. So I'm going to inventor and then plane, angle and plane around the edge. I can select this edge and then I can select this plane. And if you don't like the where it's going to, like if I put 120, it should be going to the other side. So if you add minus, then this is the angle that I'm looking for. And then I would like to create two-dimensional sketch in this plane, like this. And I can use the wired geometry wireframe because I really need this line here. And then I'll go to sketch and I would like to say project geometry. This is what I would need. And then I can create another construction line in the middle because I will need that for symmetry, like this. And then I can create two circles. Well, they shouldn't be construction circles. But I can create, before that I can create a line, which would be construction line, and then I can create two circles at the end of that construction line. So circle and then the other circle, and I like to see if it's moving correctly. Okay, it's horizontal and it's moving correctly. And then I would like to say that this circle and this circle are symmetrical around this line, like this. And they would be, their dimension will be 25, like this. And location, so let's see if I can, I'll add another line. Yeah, so I have the distance in between them, which is 90, like this. And then I can add a line from here, from the end of this line above, and then I can add another line from this one going above, like this. And here I can trim. I only need this one up to here. I don't need these other ones, so I will trim away leftovers like this. And then I will add a line which will go from one of these circles to the other one. Let's see, something is missing in their location. I guess now when I add this 95, that should be done. Yeah, 95, like this. And then I don't need this part of this circle. So you see I have 25. The distance in between the circle is not the same as this one. This one is smaller, it's 80, this is 90. And then I need to add radius 10. You see here, radius 10, this one. So I'll add here fillet 10, and I'll try to select this point with this and these two. Let's see here, this point, this. Okay, so these two are 10. TCR 10, 90, 95 from that. And then, I mean, I can add here these two. So this is diameter, should be radius, so it should be 25 times 2 or 50, like this. And then I can add here these two holes in the same, and I can say that this one is 25 diameter, not 35, 25 diameter. And I can say again that they are symmetrical, so this one and this one are symmetrical, or you can use equal so you don't have as many references. So this is what I would like to extrude now, by 20. See, by 20 here. So I'll go here to finish sketch, extrude what I just drawn by 20, and then I can go to view and show you how it is with shaded with edges like this. So you see it's a little bit like this. And if I'm done with the plane, which I don't need anymore, I can hide it, right click visibility, and I might need this plane in the middle to create, you see I need this 16 symmetrical dimension, and I need to create this kind of line. So I will go to Inventor, and I need this plane as my sketching plane. So I go create two-dimensional. Oh, but before I do that, I need to add these things. I need to add 35, 25, and 65 by. So I need to finish this part first. So I go here to the create two-dimensional sketch here, and I'll create a circle, which is 65, and I will extrude this by 25. So I'll extrude this by 25, and then I'll create another hole which is concentric here, and then my concentric reference is this one, and my hole should be 35 diameter, like this. Now I have what I need to create this rib at the end. So I'll go here and try to do it this way. If I create, let me see if it has the rib option. Some computer aided design parts have separate thing for the rib. Oh, like this one, rib. Okay, so for the rib, first I need to create a line. So I'll go to create two-dimensional sketch in this plane, like this, and I'll try to add a line. And if I use the project geometry, yeah, I need some like these two and this one. So all I need is a line from here to here, like this. Finish, and let's see if the rib will work in this way. So the profile will be the one I just did, this line, and the thickness should be 16. Okay, shape, it's more this kind of thing. So I need to select the other one. So all I need is option parallel to sketch plane, and I need to select the point and the overall thickness, and that's it, like this. And then I can hide the plane, which because I no longer need it. So once I'm finished this, move mouse key twice, and then I can save this and export this as a PDF. And that's all you needed to do for this part.